Hi everybody, welcome back to another Stretch Out with Allison. Sorry we missed you last week with all of the winter weather, but we're thrilled to be back today. If you might remember from the last few sessions, we talked about general guidelines with stretching, as well as some common stretches that you can use for your lower back. Today, we're going to be focusing on the lower body. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget that whenever you get ready to work out, whether it be a stretch or anything that you're doing, you want to go through a little bit of a warm-up. Today, before I came in, I just took a couple of laps right around this room just to get the blood pumping a little bit. To begin, I want you to be in a standing position with your chest and your shoulders back. Feet are about shoulder width apart. I want you to sit back into those hips and very gently put your hands right here on your thighs. All right, there's a big difference between the thighs and the knees. Don't be pushing on that patella for me, all right? Keep the thighs up, hands up on the thighs. And I'm going into that cat camel stretch that we did before with the cow. My rear end is up in the air, the belly's hanging, big sway of the back. Inhale, exhale, tuck that tailbone under, drop your head, round out the upper back. Inhale, exhale, back into cow. Get that big sway of the back. Inhale, exhale, now arch the spine. From here, go ahead and let your arms dangle, reaching towards your toes, drop your head, and very slowly roll up one vertebra at a time. When you get all the way up to the top, roll those shoulders back. Big breath, inhale, stretch up over the head, and exhale down. Good. Let's do that one more time. From here, slowly bend the spine over, roll down, reach past your shins towards your toes. Inhale, exhale, roll it right back up again. And bring those shoulders up at the top. Good. Last time. Bend down, drop your head, reach towards your toes, and then right back up again. All right, let's focus on those hamstrings a little bit more. I've got a bar right next to me. You can hold on to a chair, a desk, a wall if you need it. You're gonna put one foot out in front of you. I'm starting with my left foot, heel on the ground, toe in the air, and I'm very gently sitting back onto my right leg as I extend one arm down towards those toes. This is a great stretch for the hamstrings, and I'm feeling this right behind the knee, into the hamstring, and a little bit in those glutes too. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale, exhale, bring it up, stand tall, extend the right foot now this time. Sitting back into the left knee. Here we go. Again, the heel is in the ground, my toes pointing towards the air. Extending my hand down towards those toes. If you don't touch your toes, that's totally fine. We're just reaching, extending the hamstring. Inhale, exhale, stretch it up and come here. My next favorite one to do for the lower body, it's primarily for the glutes, is you're gonna take your left foot, cross it over that right knee right there, and you're gonna sit back into it. So you almost look like a figure four with that bent leg. And I'm feeling this all in my hip here and also in the rear end. Don't forget to breathe. If you're having trouble with your balance, you can also do this just sitting in a chair. Keep that right foot down on the ground and cross that left foot over the knee. And stand tall. Let's do the other side now. I'm bringing my right leg over the left knee. Sitting down. Back into the left side. Keeping that figure four. Inhale, exhale, stretch it up. Very good. Now we focused a lot on the upper body and the thighs, or the upper leg being the thighs. Now we're gonna work on the calves here. I'm gonna face the wall, the desk, your bar, whatever it is that you have. I'm gonna take my left foot back behind me here. Keep that left heel on the ground as you bend the left knee forward. So you're sitting back, straight down into those hips. With the heel being on the ground, you should be feeling this right in the back of the calf and a little bit into that Achilles tendon as well. Very good. Stand tall, come up. Other foot back. This is my right foot. Heel on the ground. Bend that right knee straight down. Getting a great stretch all the way through the lower part of the calf into that Achilles tendon. I'm recovering from a little bit of injury on my right foot, and so I'm even feeling this a little bit into the under part of my foot, which is totally normal. As with everything that you do with stretching, only go to the point where you feel a stretch, no pain. Inhale, exhale, come out of it. All right, now what you're gonna do is just take your toe right onto the ground, real easy ankle circles. I'm going clockwise a couple of times and then counterclockwise. Very good. Roll out, keep that blood moving. Now you're gonna point the toe and flex the foot. Point the toe so that you feel the stretch all along the shin and flex. Last time, point and flex. Great job. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Nice, easy ankle circles. This is my left leg. I'm going clockwise for a couple of circles and then counterclockwise. Loosen up. And now we're gonna point, feeling it all along the shin there, and flex. Point. I love the point. You can even feel it in the top of the foot. And flex, feeling it in the calf again. Last time, point and flex. Very good. Go ahead and bring your feet back together again. Big breath, inhale. Exhale down. Thank you so much for coming today. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see next week, and I'll see you then.